Welcome, it's Ensign Doodle, and today we're going to be going through the Route 66 car ride at Santa's Village. Here's me getting into the car, and this is one of my favorite rides because I get to drive, and at the end there is a car wash where you actually do get wet.
This is a favorite of mine as well because this ride is so nostalgic, and this ride is actually the same ride, same setup, same everything from when I was a kid and used to go to Santa's Village. So this is a fun for all ages ride because the kids get to drive, the parents can relax, and it's all on a guided railed raceway. So it's actually a really unique experience. Let us know in the comments below if you've ever ridden something like this or if you've ever been to Santa's Village. If not, start with this video here and get a full overview of the park. Pardon the water on the lens, but like Sun pointed out, the car wash actually sprays, which is a huge treat, especially in the middle of summer on those hot days. If you enjoyed this video and this on-ride, be sure to hit subscribe because we go to amusement parks and water parks all the time, and we do tours and on-ride POVs of a ton of different places. If you enjoyed Santa's Village, check out this playlist here.